Needing debt recovery service in Vietnam. Dispute lawyer could help. 1. Debt recovery service in Vietnam undertaken by dispute lawyer in legal ways. Debt recovery is always a big issue for businesses and individuals. In order to promote the production process, the process of debt recovery is always one of the concerns with the business leaders. One of the appropriate method is the intervention of law. Dispute lawyer in Vietnam will help advise and represent the clients with debt recovery service in Vietnam. 2. What dispute lawyer in Vietnam would do to carry out debt recovery service in Vietnam? With a team of experienced lawyers and legal experts that have participated and solved many debt recovery cases for businesses and individuals, the law firm that assists with advisory and representation in debt recovery service in Vietnam could carry out the following actions. Study the case to find the legal basis and debt information that should be handled. Assess the payment capability of the debtor to creditor. Represent the client to exposure debtor to negotiate, persuade and require debt repayment. Advise and instruct customer the most beneficial solutions in accordance with the law. Implement civil litigation proceedings or criminal proceedings depending on the type of entity and the nature of the transactions arising overdue debts. 3. Litigation lawyer in Vietnam file lawsuit to bring debtor to court for debt recovery service in Vietnam. In case of debt recovery through litigation, the dispute lawyer in Vietnam helping client with debt recover service in Vietnam could undertake following actions. Draft petition and other papers relating to the recovery of debt. Represent client, individuals and organizations, to submit the petition to the court and the competent authorities to recover the debt as stipulated by law. Appoint litigation lawyer in Vietnam to participate in protecting the legitimate rights and interests of clients, individuals and organizations, at the court at all levels. Represent client, individuals and organizations, to participate in judgment enforcement. Thank you for your attention.